guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe it and hit on the bell icon for future updates. As well as please don't forget to watch my previous makeup tutorial videos, which I will be linking in this video, and you can find it in the suggestions on the top of the screen. Today's look will be the most simple and easy makeup look. It will be a very casual look which you can easily carry, during the daytime, if you're going to college, for movies, grocery shoppings, or if you're hanging out with your friends. Even if you are traveling, then you can do it and you can easily recreate it. So for the look, stay tuned till the last. I have prepped my face and I'll be starting with the concealer because I have some acne marks. That's why if you don't have acne marks, you can directly jump onto the foundation. Okay, so for me, little bit of concealing, not too much, since it's a very lightweighted and natural and everyday makeup look. As always, I'm using my Makeup Studio concealer in the shade Dark Yellow, and I'm going to conceal very precisely where it is actually required, not too much, because it's not a glam makeup look or something, it's just a normal makeup look. You can see that I have done my concealing and I have kept the quantity to be very minimum, and I'm going with a very natural look today, so that's why I'm keeping everything minimum. As if you can see in my last videos, in all the glamorous looks, the concealing in those videos are very stronger than today. Now moving on to my foundation, I'll be using my Hello Happy foundation from Benefit in the shade 04. So guys, one thing which you have to always keep in mind, that if you want to keep your makeup look natural, you always have to work with very minimum amount of product. Now when I'm applying the foundation, I have taken very minimum amount, and I will be applying a very small amount of foundation all over my face and blend it, and then see if it's required to add on more, then only I'll add on more. So these are the small tricks and tips which you should always keep in mind while you are doing makeup. Time to blend. And no need to apply any extra layer of foundation over your eyelids, since you want to keep it natural. So in natural look, you should always keep the color of your eyelid as they are. So can you see my face? I'm showing you from a closer angle. If you can see, my face is completely looking natural. There's no traces of cakiness or some extra layer on my face. For baking, I'm using my Kryolan translucent powder, and I'm not going to use too much. I'm just dabbing it once, and I'll just use it on my entire face. Just for the safer side. That's it. Done. Now moving on to eyes. For eyes, we need to keep them very natural and subtle, and for that we can work with very lighter tones of brown, pink, or even orange or nudes. If you want, you can use any shade which you like. So it totally depends on you. For me today, I'm using a shade from a little bit browns, and that is from my blush palette. And guys, this is a sort of hack or a tip which you can always write it down or just remember it in whichever way you want, that if you are traveling somewhere, if you are going to a party or anywhere, if you want to keep your eyeshadow, you don't need to carry an extra eyeshadow along with you. You can have your blush palette with you. So I'm using this shade. This is a sort of peachish and brownish shade. So I'm using this and a very little bit all over my eyelid, just to give a sort of definition to your eyes. Very little bit, not too much. And you can totally change the game of your makeup by changing the shades of eyeshadow and lipstick. What you can do is, if you're applying this makeup in the daytime, you can totally stick to these colors, and if you are doing the soft makeup look at night time, you can just change to some sort of shimmer and glitters that you might be seeing in my next video. See? No color, just a sort of definition to my eyes. The same color I'm going to quickly blend in the lower lash line. If you want, you can apply kajal as well. That's optional for you. I'm not applying it. after this, I will first move on to my mascara. Now it totally depends on you how you want to show your lashes. If you want to show them very thick and bold, you can go with some mascara like Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara or any other mascara which has very thick band. And if you want to keep it very natural and subtle, then you can use any other mascara from Maybelline brand or any other brand which you like. Clinique also have good mascaras. So I'm using my Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, and I'm just going to do a single coating on my lashes because I don't want to go too overboard with this. So I won't be doing the lower lash line for this look since I want to keep it totally natural. And the only thing which I'm going to do right now is just brush off my brows. I'm not going to fill them. If you want, you can obviously fill them up if you don't have properly defined brows, but I don't need to because I already have fuller brows. Now I will just define my brow bone in my eyes, nothing else I'll do for the eyes. So I'll be using my Makeup Revolution palette, and I will be using this shade because this is a sun-kissed sort of a shade and it will be perfect for the daytime. Okay guys, so now I'm moving on with my blush, and since it's a daytime casual look, so I won't be going on with the contouring. I'll first complete my look and I'll see like if it's actually required, then only I'll go ahead. Otherwise I'll skip that because I don't want any sort of prominent lines to appear. So I'm going with the light pink shade and I'm going from my cheeks till my contour line. Okay. Okay guys, so I will be doing a little bit of powder contouring, not the cream one because I have to step out, I have to go out in the sun. So I will be doing the powder contouring, and for that I'm using my eyeshadow palette. Again, it's in hack. You can always use an eyeshadow palette. I'm using this same shade which I use for contouring, and I'm going to contour. So guys, all these things you can just note down so that if you're traveling next time somewhere, you don't need to carry a whole bunch of makeup with you. You just can skip some products and can find a replacement or alternative for that. Can you see it's giving me the same amount of contouring? So guys, the contouring is done, very mild contouring, not that harsh lines on my face. It's just mixing up with my skin. Now quickly come to highlighting. And for highlighting, what can be, more amazing than my most favorite Makeup Studio Shimmer Effect Bronze Highlighter. It's actually meant for daytime or parties also because it merges into your skin. It won't give you any sort of powdery finish or any sort of fake finish on your face. It will completely give you very fine and very glossy finish. So I'm going with this. It will just enhance my face, but not too much, just little bit to give you that natural dewy look. After some time it will automatically absorb into your skin, and your skin will also start, secreting some oils after some time. So it will become more natural. Can you see how natural is this looking? There are no lines on my face, just a sort of defined face it's looking. We are almost done, just the lips are left. So guys, coming onto my lips, I'm using my most favorite Chocolate Boy from Nykaa lip pencil because this is the nudist shade and the browniest shade I like. And I am not going overboard with this, but just a little bit lining my lips. Now over this, I'm using my most favorite lipstick from Nykaa, and it's in the shade Jane 11. and it's already finished actually. Very little bit is left. So I'm taking this. It's a very natural shade actually. Can you see? It's so natural. And guys, I want to tell you one more thing, that I'm not able to link the products because of this lockdown. Nothing is available in the market. So once this lockdown is over, I will be linking the products along with the page from where you can buy them. So for now, you have to just bear with their names. If you want, you can note them down. But later on, you can obviously click on the link and go and buy from there.